Hi everyone, welcome to a Curiosity First math lesson. Today's lesson is in place value and we're going to answer one question. Why is each digit 10 times the digit as the one next to it? Our school's book fair sold this many books this year, 8,888. Look closely. Every digit has an 8. So here's my question. If every 8 in this number, is every 8 in this number worth the same amount or is something else going on? Let's find out. Today we are going to be learning why each digit is 10 times its neighbor. We have 4 digits, all the same number, 8, but each one sits in a different place. And that place changes what the digit is actually worth. So by the end of the video, you'll be able to look at any number and know exactly what each digit is worth by knowing where it sits. Here's how the lesson is going to work. First, I'm going to do it. I will show you how it works step by step. Then we will do it together. We'll solve some problems together, and then I will let you guys solve some on your own and you can practice independently. Before we dive in, let's do a quick review of the place value chart. All the way to the right, we have our ones place. To the left, we have our tens, hundreds, and then thousands. By moving one place to the left, multiplies the value by 10, while moving one place to the right divides the value by 10. Each place value chart works the same way no matter how big the number gets. Let's go back to our 8,888 books. I'm going to break this apart myself, one place value at a time. Let's start on the right and I'll talk you through my thinking. The one on the 8s is worth exactly 8. Move over one place to the left and the 8 in the 10s is worth 80. That is 10 times bigger. Move again to the left and the 8 in the hundreds place is worth 800, 10 times bigger again. One more place value to the left and the 8 is worth 8,000. Do you see the pattern? Every time we move one place value to the left, the value multiplies by 10. Let me show you a different rule. A delivery truck company said one of their routes was 5,555 miles long. The 5 in the thousands place is worth 500. The 5 in the thousands place is worth 5,000. The 5 in the hundreds is worth 500. The 5 in the tens is worth 50, and the 5 in the ones place is worth 5. 50 is 10 times bigger than 5, 500 is 10 times bigger than 50, and 5,000 is 10 times bigger than 500. Let's do one together. Our school fund run raised this amount of money, $3,333. So what is the value of the 3 in the hundreds place? I have 3 in the hundreds place, so the value of that is 300. What about in the 3 in the tens place? If I have 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, the value of the 3 in my tens place is 30. This fits our rule perfectly. Let's do another one. A charity race had 9,999 runners over its history. What is the value of the 9 in the thousands place? If I have 9 thousands, I have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. What about the value of the 9 in the hundreds place? If I have 9 hundreds, the value of the 9 in my hundreds place is 900. All right, now it's time for you to try. A student's fitness tracker showed this many steps in 1 week. 6,666. What is the value of the 6 in the thousands place, and what is the value of the 6 in the hundreds place? Pause the video and solve it on your own. The value of the 6 in the thousands is worth 6,000, and the value of the 6 in the hundreds is 600 steps. 6,000 is 10 times bigger than 600, so you got it correct. Great job. Let's try another one. A moving company said their longest delivery route was this many miles, 2,222. What is the value of the 2 in the tens place? And what is the value of the 2 in the ones place? Try it on your own before checking. The 2 in the tens place is worth 20 miles, and the 2 in the ones place is worth 2 miles. 20 is 10 times bigger than 2. So we did well. All right, one more on your own. Say you did a canned food drive at your school and you collected 4,444 cans this year. What is the value of the 4 in the thousands place? What about the tens? Give it a try and check your work below. The 4 in the thousands is worth 4,000 cans. The 4 in the tens is worth 40. 4,000 is 100 times bigger than 40 because they are 2 places away. Let's see a quick recap of what we learned today. Number 1, a digit's value depends on its place, not just the number. Number 2, each place is 10 times the value of the place to its right. And you went from watching me solve it to solving it with me to solving it on your own. That is exactly how real learning works. Grab your lesson 1 worksheet. The link to that is down below. This one is completely free and you can practice on your own. I will see you in the next video. Great job today.